You've been fighting these weeds for years, but what if they're actually edible superfoods hiding in plain sight? Stay with me. We're about to taste test 4 wild plants growing in your backyard right now. Shawnee over at Shawnee Grows issued a Eat the Weeds challenge that I could not resist. Today we're talking about 4 plants in zones 8, 9, and 10 that are not only edible, they might just become your favorite ingredient. And spoiler, one of them tastes like crunchy radish candy. Well, sort of. Now this here is called Smilax. It's also Greenbriar. It's a vine that fights back, but its young shoots are springtime gold. They snap off like asparagus and taste even better sauteed with garlic. This is the one that Jackson's army survived on in the Seminole Wars, foraging in the forests of Central Florida. Leaves and tendrils can be tossed into salad. Even the roots are edible, starchy and usable in teas and old school sarsaparilla. Just wear gloves. Now this little round-leafed rascal is Dollarweed, aka Pennywort. It pops up anywhere it's wet and wild. The leaves and stems are edible, mild parsley cucumber flavor. Great in salads, smoothies, even pesto. It's packed with vitamins and has herbal benefits like calming and diuretic properties. Just harvest the leaves young for the best taste. Now Florida Betony has edible everything. Leaves, stems, even the tubers. Those roots look like rattlesnake tails and taste like crunchy radish. Use them raw, pickled, or boiled. It loves moist shade and spreads like gossip. Nutritionally, it's starchy like a potato with some herbal potential in teas. So quick check-in. Have you ever foraged any of these? Or are you thinking, there's no way I'm going to be eating lawn weeds? Drop a green heart down in the comments below if you're at all curious. Or give me a bunny rabbit emoji if you think you might be brave enough to try Dichondra. Now this one's a little trickier. Dichondra, also called pony's foot, isn't widely eaten. Some species have been used as tea for liver support, and they show up in such traditional medicine as anti-inflammatories and detoxifiers. But many sources list them as mildly toxic or bitter. Know your species and go easy. This one is more herbal curiosity than salad base.
Ugh, maybe let the bunny try it first.
And of course, for those skeptics out there that are just wondering if they can turn this stuff into compost, look at this solar weed sauna that I made. It turns these dangerous, aggressive weeds into browns for the compost beautifully in just 3 or 4 days. Think of all those great browns you can add to your compost. I think I'm going to use this thing a lot more often. Wild, right? 4 plants that people rip out without even thinking about it, and they're just full of flavor, vitamins, and history. If this gave you even one idea, share this with your garden buddy, your skeptical neighbor, or maybe your foodie niece. Join Shawnee and I in the Eat the Weeds Challenge. Be sure to tag both of us if you post anything. That's Shawnee Grows and Bowtie Life in your post. And share a recipe. Just be sure to skip the ones growing next to your dog's favorite pea tree. Be sure to use the Eat the Weeds Challenge hashtag in your post. Let's turn lawns into salad bars, y'all. And of course, your garden doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be yours. Y'all have a blessed day.